Okay, so today we've got a serious problem. We're gonna solve it. Smoker's going. Hives are ready for us. No, so really we're basically doing the Apiguard treatment for week 2 on the blue hive. Okay, so I might check a couple frames while I'm in there just to see what's going on. I kind of want to see, verify that we're queen right and we have some eggs and larvae in there. But that's basically what we're doing today. Should be pretty quick. So bear with us. We'll be right back. Okay, smoker's ready. You gonna follow me? Let's go. Let's do it. So in here is just the our feed for them. I'm gonna pop this off. Check to see what their food stitch is. Still quite a bit in here. It's interesting. Smoker. Smoke them down. A lot of bees sitting right here. Pop off this inner cover. Looks pretty busy in here. Smoke under the cover too. There is a lot of activity in here. Couple hive beetles I don't like seeing. Kill that sucker. Kill that sucker. I think there's one over here too. Yeah, so one here that's dead. So I see 4 hive beetles that the Swiffer seemed to get. So, but if you look down in there, this thing is loaded.
Wow.
It is loaded.
Awesome.
So,
Oh my goodness.
last time we were in here, the queen was, I believe, on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This frame here, they are just like packed. I kind of want to take a look at this one here, so we're gonna do a quick inspection. Don't use this Swiffer sheet again. Unfortunately, some bees get caught up in this too. Not ideal, but it's a necessity. Okay, so I'm gonna pop from this side here. This hopefully is got some honey stores in it.
Not really. What are they
No,
building
this
it?
is. They're not really building it out. I don't see them building out comb here. So they're on it, but they're not really doing much. The next one looks, at least this side, looks about the same. Look out, buddy. Building out a little bit here. These are a bunch of baby bees. They are little baby bees. But they're building out the comb. You can see it there. They're hanging off the end of that there. They're, what do they call it? Festooning. I'm going to put this one back in. Move this one over. Yeah, they're getting upset. It's kind of later in the day. Probably should have done this earlier. It's one of the reasons that it's packed, I think. The foragers are back. This thing is really good bees here. We've got some, so there's some capped brood here.
So the queen could be there, no? We don't want to lose her anywhere.
Yeah, she could be. Okay, I see some larvae. That's good.
Eggs?
I don't see any eggs. Capped brood. Let's check the other side. A bunch of capped brood again. That might be like a drone cell or something, but all right. I don't necessarily see any eggs, but I do see larvae.
Okay, so that, yeah.
All right, let's put this one back. Sorry, guys. Next one here. Okay, I said we were going to be quick, but I'm moving slow. Another frame that is loaded with bees. So I see some more capped brood. I don't really, again, see any eggs, but I guess we should be also looking to make sure the queen's not on here. This side. Look at that. That is just loaded. You know what? The lighting is not really conducive to seeing inside these cells, so I may be missing eggs. Put this one back. So we really got to look for the queen now. Make sure. I don't see the queen there. I still see a lot of capped brood here. Again, I don't really see any eggs, but it might be the lighting here. Let me look at the back side of this. I do not see the queen. Oh, there she is. Okay, we have a queen. So that's good. I'm going to put her back. You know what? And yeah, I think I'm going to just close it out. We're going to call it good. I mean, again, I didn't see any eggs, but I did see, you know, capped brood. There's some larvae in there. Is that thing dead?
Kinda.
Smoke them, kind of calm them down a little bit. So much for the quick one, right? We'll get those guys back together.
Well, we saw the queen, and so we know she's good. And there's lots of hatching because there's a million more bees.
Yeah, these are all, I mean, look at, you can see how tiny they are and kind of fuzzy.
Sorry.
Well, I gotta pop this out. And Apiguard again. You go grab the Apiguard?
Yeah.
So, preparation is important, especially when you have to send your wife over to get the Apiguard because we forgot to bring it out with us. So she's going to do that. I'll get this thing kind of ready. down. Nope. Set this down over here. And then the Apiguard. So we're just gonna swap this out. Alright, so I'm putting this back together. We'll put these swippers back in. Smoke them down a little bit there. Good. We do not like hive beetles. Okay, I'm gonna knock these guys out, because otherwise they'll get stuck upstairs. Best we can. Oh, this is first I need the white cover on it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lock this thing up now. We'll test for mites. We'll do an acid wash probably in a week to see if we need to redo this treatment. For now, we're good.